Positioned high in the hills of Portland Heights, a true architectural legacy comes to life. Offered for only the second time since 1942, this Herman Brookman designed masterpiece combines timeless character with refined modern luxury. Sweeping city and mountain views provide a breathtaking backdrop just minutes from downtown Portland, OHSU, and the trails of Markham Nature Park. Inside, original hardwood floors and expansive windows reflect the home's enduring design, with natural light filling gracious living spaces throughout. The fully remodeled chef's kitchen is a stunning centerpiece featuring an expansive island, professional-grade appliances, and custom cabinetry, designed for elevated entertaining and effortless daily living. Meticulously modernized by IBuildPDX and designer Benjamin Silver, this residence offers a seamless harmony between architectural character and 21st century luxury. A distinctive main floor office with built-ins and a wood-burning fireplace offers an inspiring retreat. A convenient working elevator surfaces all 3 levels. Upstairs, unwind in the expansive primary suite. It serves as a private sanctuary with its own balcony, mounted views, and a spa-like remodeled bath. This home of more than 5,500 square feet includes 2 additional bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill bath, plus an oversized secondary suite and a dedicated laundry room, completing this upper level. The lower level is designed for leisure, featuring a spacious bonus room with another fireplace, plus a built-in bar ready for entertaining. A secondary basement provides additional laundry and generous storage. Outside, mature landscaping, a patio, and expansive decks create a private retreat above the city, peaceful, elevated, and serene. A rare opportunity to own one of Portland Heights' most distinguished homes, thoughtfully updated for modern living. An architectural legacy, ready for its next chapter. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.